Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Do you think Mercedes-Benz has the best ambient lighting in the industry? In my opinion, they do, but I'm curious to know what you think. You can see all of the different areas where the ambient lighting illuminates things. Not only here in the front seat area, we also have a little bit in the back, maybe not quite as much, but it is back there. And just to show you, I'm going to go start over right here just so you can see. There's a couple of different ways you can get to this screen. You're going to go here and you'll find ambient lighting. I might start here with the seats. You can go to ambient lighting right here. And a couple of different things you can do. You have up to 64 different colors that you can choose. If I can do that, there we go. Now you can see the 64 on the screen, and you can even see some of the different color variations that we have here. It always seems that the blues show up better on screen than any other color. At least that's what I see. So we're just going to show you a couple of different things here. Now these aren't the only options that you have. And one thing also to note, if you change the temperature, depending on the side of the dual zone climate control you're doing that on, well, it will illuminate accordingly. Going down in temperature, going up in temperature, whatever it is you want to do. You can link to your drive modes. You can do all sorts of different things here. I'm going to go back here real quick just so you can see. We've got effects right here if you want to do that. We have multicolor, we have greeting, we have climate. You have all of those great features here. As far as that goes, you can adjust your brightness. You can link your zones together. We can go back to color, and we have our multi-color right here. So depending on how you want things to look, you have a lot of different options to choose from to customize the lighting in your Mercedes-Benz. Now, some Mercedes-Benz models have a little more ambient lighting than others do. It just depends on what it is you want and how you want to set things up. But ultimately, when it comes to ambient lighting, I do think Mercedes-Benz does it better than anybody else, but I'm curious to know what your thoughts are on that particular subject. If there is a particular video you would like to see me make on a Mercedes-Benz or anything else, tell me down in the comments section, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.